Hello guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some, like, if you guys are beginners on Final Cut Pro, I'm going to be showing you guys how to export a video, add text, cut a clip, zoom into a video, and save your projects, add transitions, add music, and make your videos look good. So I have a little example here for you guys. If you guys watched this one yet, it was the one that I went the baseball stereotypes. This is a clip from it. I think that's like the best clip, and it's raw, so it's gonna be no editing. So I'll show you guys how to make it look really cool. So right now it looks like this. It just sounds it looks boring. It doesn't even sound cool. You have to add some cool music. What's called, it has to be royalty free. So yeah, you have to look. It just sounds so boring. If you want to make it look cool, stay till the end of the video. And so let's get right into it. First thing, how to cut your clips. So first you have to go watch it, and then you go like this. Then you find the right time, and then you go right here. I want it right there. You click the B. So I'm gonna show you my other keyboard right here. There's a letter B right here. You click B, then it gives you the blade. Or you can go to this little arrow right here, the little mouse thing right here. Click it, and it shows you some options. A to select, T to trim, to position, arrange, blade, zoom, hand. Right now we want blade, so it says blade, or you can click B on your keyboard. Go here, go right where you want it, click here, then click A. That means just to go back to normal. Click this part that you don't want, then you just click delete, and then it just goes bam. And then go to the end where you don't want it, so I'm gonna go right there. And then just cut this part. Then now you have all that. To make it look cool, let's just clear this because nobody wants to hear that sound. But maybe when the ball was hit, because that was kind of a cool sound. That was kind of a cool sound, like that was, to be honest, that was actually over the fence. Like you can see my brother right there going for the ball, because I hit it over the fence because I'm too good, and that was first try. Okay, let's get back right into it. So that's how you cut. Now to add music, find your music, but I already have some music in here, but you have to go all the way down here. There's some of these. Which did I use? Oh yeah, it's down here. Oh, it's right here. Never mind. Oh no. No, it's not that one, it's not that one. It's this one. Nope, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one right here. So you add it, so you, right here, you click, hold, then drag down until where you want it. Then I want it right where like the beat drops to make it sound cool. So watch this. So to make it sound cool and better, but if you want it way better, you go here. You see there's this little kind of weird triangle thing trying to look like an infinity sign. It's not that. The one right next to it that has two squares. Click on it. Then it gives you these effects. Click on leave it on all, and then scroll down till you find the one that you want that looks good for you. But the one I used for this one was this one that says cool. Click, hold, drag like you did with the music, and then put it where you want it. Put it here, put it on here, and boom. Now we want to go where this trying to be infinity sign, click it, and then go to any of your transitions. If you watched my video that says how to put your own transitions into Final Cut Pro, if you didn't, maybe pause this video, open a new tab, go watch the video, and then you can put your really cool transitions like this glitch. So let me show you this. Let me put this one right in front right here. It's gonna be like this. Oh yeah. Then maybe I would go here and then like edit over here, and then delete that part, and then make it put this one in here. It's gonna go like this. Boom. And you can do it from here to where you want it. Let's do it till here. Delete that part. And we can put this one. This one's kind of like a bounce into it. Just gonna up bounce into it. And from here all the way to home plate. I didn't do this in my video because I actually wanted to have it look cool. So let's put that in here. And then here, and then boom. Like the beginning of the video that I did from baseball stereotypes, it was saying trying to be Casey Neistat. Yeah, I'm trying to be Casey Neistat with those kind of films and edits. So if you guys want to be Casey Neistat, watch this full video, like and subscribe. And you guys, if you like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll be uploading more editing videos. Keep watching him, and you'll edit like Casey Neistat. So this will be the end of the video. So go follow all my social medias right here, and then go follow those. I post stuff that I'm gonna do before I upload, or when I gonna upload, tell you guys what I'm gonna upload, and put some things that you guys want me to upload. So go follow those. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Beep. What the heck? I mean,